Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party kala rai ban pha ya jingkerpat sabaro ki sarkar jong ki jilla bapher jong ka doba India bar kumjuru ya ki sarkar jong ki jilla kani ka than chite lamingi bakin pensa jingkan mau ya ka kerteng jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee ubalong menteri rang badu barim gari India ubala khlat no ha ka khan ri tarik mentau banai nailar kani ke jingpen pau jong BJP kalawan hadin bala pengam ya udpe jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee hawa sirpi mentagasi arpsan tarik unailar hakaba la sakhi lang da u ma shibon lengdo ubalong state president ke BJP Meghalaya unit uba Alexander Heck MLA ke BJP unalin Kohli nong aiktien ke BJP wape ya ke jila Meghalaya bat kiwai ginong yalam bahakmat ke BJP Meghalaya state unit bat kiwai ginong kersian jong ke party Unalin Kohli ubalong unong aiktien jong BJP haga jing ekren bat kilat patai kubor ulayatu baga BJP gadon jingmut ban pha ek jingkerpat sabaro ki jilla bakin bu jingkit mau yaka kerteng jong Vajpayee bat yakane ka parti kan sa syong perkhat sani bha shwa ban pha ek jingkerpat shaki sarkar jilla bapher jong gari India bat jong kathan chite lamingi
as an opportunity to pay homage to his departed soul. The Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, our National President Amit Shah ji, other leaders with his family members gave these kalash to all the state presidents to come to the states, and in Meghalaya we had an all prayer meeting. We had representatives from various parties come pay their respects, and today we have done what as per tradition immersed it in the river which was nearest available, and we believe that his memory will live on forever as his tasks and his service to India is there for everyone to see. We were all taken in by shock by his sudden demise, and this is something we will discuss within the party. We do feel that Atalji transcends the whole country. He is not the leader of the BJP, he is the leader of India. He enjoys that respect across. If you see the all-party meeting in Delhi, it was widely attended by everybody. So I do feel that somewhere in different parts of India, it would be befitting to his memory if the various governments there do think about naming a road or naming a something or creating something to keep the values that Atalji cherished. And it would be a befitting thing. At the party level also, we will discuss.